Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today's topic is we have to depend on ourselves to get the success. So in this context, now everybody will be thinking like this, that what I am going to talk about, we all depend on ourselves, and without that we can't move in our life. Normally we also don't do. Here's the question is, we actually depend on ourselves or we actually depend on external things? For an example, if I tell you, someone who has completed the diploma or engineering or any sort of courses and got those lessons, those skills, and after that, on the basic of that, they thought of, I am very much dependable right now on my proficiencies. I am very much eligible right now to get a job, to progress in my life, to get success. But here the question is, so what does it mean? Are you depend on those respective external skills that you have got from those respective courses, or you actually depend on yourself that you could do something new, or you have some of those significant, some of those relevant proficiencies. From there you can do something new, can invent something new for this world, and that also help you to enrich in your life as well. So in between two of this is that right now you have to justify you are actually depend on yourself or depend on respective skills. Now here I want to make it one thing very clear. Definitely these skills are very much important, but these are the one of those components that is required to get progress in our life. But this is not the only foundational thing where we have to be very much depend ourselves to enrich our life, and that is possible also. Is that possible? If you have this sort of skills, is that possible that by this, if you depend, you will get the success? Now here another question. Like you, man, there are many of others, those have completed the similar degrees, have that similar skills, similar proficiencies. So where they will go? And what are the differences between you and them? So you will be capable enough, you will be fit enough to get a good job, and by this way you can get a good progress in your life. Or you could do, you can run your own business in this similar proficiency, similar skill that you have like many others. So how you will get the success in your business as well, isn't it? So it means you and others all are in that similar level, but we do this particular mistake most of the time. We think that if we can do those sort of courses and thereafter definitely we'll get success in our life, we'll get a good job, we can do our own businesses, and that will go well to get the progress in our life. Also, if I don't talk about this sort of degrees, on the other hand, those don't have that degree and all, and most of them are searching for their jobs, any kind of jobs or something, they need a source of income. It's okay, but when they got a job, thereafter they stop thinking how they can move further, get more progress in their life, and start depend on that particular part, that particular job, and start believing unknowingly that I am very much safe, I am getting the progress, and start depend on that particular job for their lives. So is that dependable? Is that something, these two parts, that your skill that you have got from those respective courses you have done, and from this part you have got a job, you are earning some amount of money from there, and thereafter you are very much assured that you are very much in stable zone, and from there also you can get the good progress in your life as well. Is this both things are right? I don't think so. Why? Because if you see, nothing is safe and nothing is secure in this world. Like as I have just mentioned to you, there are a couple of others, those have the similar degree, similar skills, those have completed those sort of courses like engineering, doctorate, whatever it is, okay, in other courses. So there are many others also doing that same courses, so they are also got that similar skills that you have, so there is no difference between you and them. So definitely, if someday you have done something wrong in your job, you will be eliminated, because that company knows that I have many other options to replace, to refill this post as quick as possible, and I can run my orders beautifully. So what you have that can retain yourself in that particular post, and also by this way or some other way you will get that sort of progress in your life and enrichment and success, and you get the success, or you are heading towards the success, isn't it? At the same time, those are thinking about that, yeah, we have a job, something like that, and I am very much safe and secure. Suddenly in today at present we can see that how many of others, those have already lost their job due to this pandemic COVID-19. Who knows that this will be coming in future, and something, this kind of situation is going to be happen in future, and we have to face these drastic consequences. Nobody knows, but it has happened already, and we are all suffering from these consequences, right? So is that the job is very much secure? No, but at the same time it's required. When you are in a situation, something you need to earn some amount of money, definitely is required, so it's required. But after getting that option, you should not think that this is the ultimate one and I am very much safe and secure, and I should not think anything further to get the progress. This will take me more advance in my life, and I have to start depend on that particular part where we have that we have some individual inventive proficiencies within us. Each and every one, we are living in this world, we have some of those inventive new proficiencies, I believe. If you look into yourself, if you see what you have, and if you depend on that particular part, so then you can invent something new by doing this job side by side, or you can add something more beneficial or more advance something into this profession where you are doing the job, that can take you more advance in your life, as well as your job also will be more secure and safe. But that is only possible. And also on the other hand, those are doing that degrees, engineering and all, they also needs to look at in yourself that what I can additionally add in my profession, or if I don't have any such internal proficiencies that I can add for that particular job, I can do something other field, I can do something new for the other field, and that can also help me to enrich my life. That can also help me to get the good progress in my life. That time maybe side by side I have to do my engineering profession as well. So ultimately what it happens, we don't keep the focus on ourselves and don't depend on our individual proficiencies. That is something where from where we can do something new, something inventive. We start depend on external proficiencies that we start learning from externally, and we think this is all for ourselves, where it is not actually. And out of that, if we start rather thinking about what we have and we can do something new, and definitely we can do that. So definitely in addition with this with the other parts of your life, like engineering, you are doing a job, definitely all the time throughout your journey of your life, you will be progressive, you will be inventive, you will enrich your life. Whatever the obstacles will come up, definitely obstacles will come. It depends how the situation is coming up across your way, but normally it comes. But at the same time, you have to be proficient enough to break it and move forward. And that is only possible when you start depend on yourself, and that dependence will bring you the success. Because success is not something that you can buy in a minute. It's a journey that you have to take yourself towards a target by breaking down those obstacles comes across your way. And that is only possible when you start depend on yourself, try to add something new all the time. Don't stop yourself in any certain point of time. So then this additional inventive creations will give you a good lead in progress of your life towards the success, and ultimately to get the success. So that's all I wanted to say. We usually do this mistake, and sometimes we know all of this, but start when we have to materialize the thing in practical. That time we start dwelling with these old ideas, and knowingly or unknowingly we start depend on that particular field. Those are the skill fields, some jobs or something, some sort of things like that. Except depend on ourselves. So from today onwards, those who wants to get a good progress in their life, get the success, it's something different. That you will get the success or not, or how much you can get it, it depends on how you can prove yourself in that sort of competitions that you are facing in your life. So now another thing is very important. If you start thinking about yourself, if you start depend on yourself, so how it can help you to come out with some inventive ideas. Now here there are two ways. If I say you start thinking something new, definitely your back of the mind always you'll be thinking like, oh, we have this sort of things, we have this sort of things in my hand, that the skills and all these are the way that world is moving on. So in that way definitely you don't get any inventive ideas. Okay, when you start placing your view towards the what is world is in front of you, after that you start thinking something inventive, it bit difficult for you to get the new ideas. So what you have to do, start thinking the things like that, whatever is lying in front of me, I have to get something better than that and make them wrong, or something better than that in addition to it, and I can do that. If you start thinking the way, definitely you will see this world in a different way, and you start rather thinking how you can put some additional inventive something into this world, and that also help you to get the progress in your life. And that time you will be a leader, you don't be a follower. So from today onwards, start depend on yourself, not depend any external thing. Okay, so that's all for now. Hope I made it clear to you, and please do comment below how you think about that, and let me know all of this. So that's all, till the next one, stand in fear with confidence. Goodbye and take care. Bye.